All right, so lesson 5, solve and write division equations. Okay, so let's look at an example and then talk it through. So we have a over 3 equals 7. All right, so this is a division equation because of this division bar, which kind of looks like a fraction. So we see division, so we're going to do multiplication. So I'm dividing by 3, so I need to multiply by 3. So the 3's go away, leaving us with our a by itself, and 7 times 3 is 21. And we know this is correct because 21 divided by 3 is 7. Okay? And so you can see that in the picture, you can see that in the work that they've done for you here. All right, so let's look at some more examples. Okay, so x over 8 equals 9. Okay, so we see that we're dividing by 8. So we're going to multiply by 8. The 8's go away, leaving us with our x by itself, and 8 times 9 is 72. Okay, y over 4 equals 8. So again, we're dividing by 4. So we're going to multiply both sides by 4. Y equals 32. Okay. M over 5 equals 9. So look what we're doing. We're dividing by 5. So we're going to multiply by 5. M equals 45. 30 equals B divided by 2. So we see the dividing by 2. So we're going to multiply by 2. B equals 60. Remember, we don't like to write it that way, so we're going to flip it around to make sure the variable's in the front. Okay, so remember, you want to remember the definition. So multiplication property of equality. If you multiply each side of an equation by the same number, the two sides remain equal. So you can see that in both the numbers example and the algebra example. Okay, so what happens if it's a word problem? So it says that Nathan picked a total of 60 apples in 1/3 hour. Write and solve a division equation to find out how many apples Nathan picked in 1 hour. So we know that he picked a total of 60 apples. And we know that if we took our whole hour and divided it by 3, because we have 1/3, that will give us our answer. So since we're dividing by 3, we're going to use multiplication to get rid of that. And so H equals 180. So what is it wanting us to find? How many apples in an hour? So 180 apples in 1 hour. Okay. Okay, Allison is baking a pie. She wants 4.5 strawberries in each serving for 8 people. Write and solve a division equation to find out how many strawberries Allison will need. Okay, so we need 8 people total. And we know that we want to know how many strawberries if we have 4.5 for each person. So we're going to multiply by 4.5. So might need your calculator. So 8 times 4.5 gives us 36. So we need 36 strawberries. You can do these examples on your own. I'm going to do number 4 and 5. All right, so Carrie and Taya are sharing a pack of stickers. Each girl gets 11 stickers. Write and solve a division equation to find out how many total stickers there were. Okay, so we know that each one got 11. So there are 2 girls, and we want to know how many stickers were there in the package. So let's multiply by 2. And so there were 22 stickers in the package. Okay. Let's look at number 5. Chen is buying a ham. He wants to divide it into 6.5 ounce servings for 12 people. Write and solve a division equation to find out how big the ham needs to be. So we need to serve 12 people, and he wants to divide the ham into 6.5 ounces. So let's multiply by those 6.5 to figure out how big that ham needs to be. So 12 times 6.5 gives us 78. So Chen needs to buy a 78 ounce ham to make sure all 12 people can eat.